Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Canopy Showerheads, and this is a 3-month honest review on the actual shower head. Let's get started. DIYers making our way inside the bathroom, and again, this is the 3-month update or honest review of our Canopy Showerhead, and the scalp massager is still installed, and it has been installed since day one, and my wife still loves that. For me, I don't use it. I've got short hair, and shampoo just rinses right off my head very quickly. However, the biggest difference right now is the diffuser. After about a month, if you remember correctly or watched our 1-month update, the oil scent on the diffuser basically faded away. We removed that, applied 15 additional drops of oil, put it back on, and got to enjoy that oil scent or spa scent again. And scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comment and description, video link number 1 will be to the video of us unboxing and showing you all of the parts of the Canopy Showerhead unit and giving you a review or explanation of the parts itself. And again, this is the 3-month update. It is time to replace the internal filter in the showerhead by carefully unscrewing that scalp massager adapter and gaining access to the filter, pulling it out, installing a new one. However, the health of her hair, she claims, is much better. And as I mentioned in the video where we gave a 1-month update as well as a 1-week update, we do not have a water softener installed in this home. So this Canopy filtered shower head has come in clutch in basically adding nutrients or removing any solids or debris from the water, allowing the water to lather up the items as I just mentioned a bit ago. Making our way to the workstation, and on the far left-hand side is the box that the oil comes in, and I'm going to carefully set that aside, open up the cap of the oil, and again on the back side of the diffuser is the instructions. Add 15 drops of oil, refill when fragrance fades, and again this goes quick, and I am going to do a quick change up, and I applied the oil drops to the front. I'm going to apply it on the back, and again it goes very quick, 15 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Cap off the oil. And again, this just adds a spa-like scent to your showering. And initially, right from the get-go, you really smell it. And honestly, it smells really good when the shower is running, and the steam inside the bathroom that the shower is generating, in a way, kind of allows the scent from that oil and diffuser to travel through the steam throughout the room. However, again, after a couple weeks, the scent begins to dissipate, and you will want to apply 15 additional drops of oil to the diffuser. In addition, one more thing before we head back to the shower in regards to the diffuser. It will be personal preference. However, some people replace the diffuser every 90 days or at the same time when they replace the filter inside the shower head. However, again, that will be personal preference. We are going to keep this exact same diffuser for an additional 90 days or 3 months and replace it after 6 months of total use. However, again, the key things that my wife absolutely loves about this shower head is, again, the capability that it can lather up all of the items such as shampoo, soap, face wash, and shaving cream, because again, we don't have a water softener. In addition, according to my wife, the hair products rinse out far better than without this filtered shower head, and her hair feels cleaner and healthier. And to her, the water pressure is absolutely amazing. Back inside the bathroom, the diffuser has been reinstalled. I'm going to turn the shower head on. And again, show you the water pressure. And again, my wife absolutely loves this feature of the shower head. The water pressure is honestly second to none. And there is absolutely no interruption with the water flow or strains of water that feed out of the massager. Basically a straight line all the way down. And still no leaks from day one, which is awesome. Take a step back and just shut the water off, and again, DIYers, that's it. We hope this review helps, and down below in the comments and description will be a link to a video of, again, replacing the filter. Definitely check that out. However, taking a step back, I did ask my wife as far as the performance of the lathering of all of those products. Again, soap, face wash, shaving cream, and shampoo. Is it still lathering like it was day one? And she says, yeah, it hasn't really shown a difference. However, that's probably why Canopy wants you to replace the filter every 90 days, because that is a perfect time for the filter to be replaced, so you don't notice a difference or drop in performance of the filter and overall quality of the operation of the shower head. Again, right now, we're at the 3-month stage. We're about to replace the filter. However, my wife says that there really is no difference in overall performance or lathering capabilities. But again, for me, short hair, I'm clueless, I'll be honest. DORs, hey, if you're still watching, here is the box that the brand new filter is in. Bring me to your shower.